So first of all, I don't sell any course or have any form of mentorship. This is my honest take on the issue. When someone talks about best time frame or best trading pair, what the person is literally trying to tell you is that this trading pair holds a higher potential of success over the rest, or this time frame holds a higher potential of success over the rest. That's what the person means by saying best time frame or best trading pair. Think about it. What the person is telling you now is that if you trade using this time frame or this pair, you have a better chance of succeeding in the game. There is no such thing. And trade a particular pair that's volatile at a particular time frame and still be unprofitable. You saying there's a best time frame or there's a best trading pair for the general public is wrong. Yes, there might be a best time frame and the best trading pair depending on your strategy and your approach and your edge. But there are a lot of variables to attach to that statement, because that statement is very misleading. Someone can have something good going on for him in a particular pair, maybe not making as much profit as you are, and then you tell the person, no, the pair is trading is the problem, you should switch to this pair. He can switch there and gain profitability, and he can switch there and reduce his profitability. It's a 50-50% chance, and if there's a 50-50% chance, it is not best. Saying is best, literally saying there's an 80% chance that if the person switch, you get better, and you cannot guarantee that if you're not going to provide the person with your particular strategy. I've seen people that have good strategy working for them and switch to another time frame that someone advise you to switch to. The person might as well give you his trading strategy. I'm not saying you switching is bad, but you switching and sticking with your own strategy, what you did was you just wasted your time. Now you have to collect new data. I don't think the time frame, I don't think the trading pair is the issue why you're not profitable. A lot of reasons why a person will not be profitable, and those issues are things you need to address instead of finding the best time frame or the best trading pair. Now someone might ask me, so what time frame do I trade? It's a very, very, very simple question, and trust me, it has a lot more to do with your psychology than your actual trading plan when you select time frame. Yes, and when I started trading, the reason why I chose the time frame I trade is because of that's when I'm most active. That's when I have the most attention span as a person. So my time frame might be different from yours. I've tried trading some particular time frames, and yes, I might actually experience a bit more profitability. But when I subtract whatever the psychological downfall of that trading that time frame to my mind, I found out that it's just not worth the 1-2% more profitability, because I end up not being particularly focused. So your time frame depends on a lot of things. You get, if you are working, if you have a full-time job, which is what I advise traders that just start, have a full-time job, part-time job, whatever situation, but just have a job. If you do have a job, then your time frame depends on whatever time you are free. As simple as that. If you're working, let's say 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., why the hell are you trading why the hell are you trading within that time frame again, when you know you can be home by 4 p.m. and you have the rest of the day? Why don't trade by 6? You say you don't like that time frame, then you end up having to place trade while working and end up making mistakes, end up stressing yourself, end up getting fired from your job, worst case scenario. So whatever time frame you choose to, let it be the one that fits your psychology the most, fits your work schedule the most. So these little things are just distractions. They are just stories and fancy things people tell you. They're just things that are holding you back. You actually thinking that the time frame you are trading is the issue. You can switch to another time frame and it works for you. But you have to consider one thing. If you were trading a particular time frame and as I'm a big fan of keeping data on your trade, journaling, I'm a big fan of that. I will preach that the day I die. Journaling, because I don't know how you want to be successful without journaling. If you're journaling for a particular time frame and you switch to a particular time frame, you have to be aware that your data will switch. In trading, for every little thing you do, every little tweak you do, you are changing your data. You switch time frame, you are changing your data. You increase your stop loss, reduce your take profit, you are changing your data. And the only way for you to know your win rate and your percentage is for you to have a fixed data. It's for you to have a fixed data. Then calculate that, maybe a data of, as I said before, maybe 50 trades, 100 trades. That's the only way for you to know your win rate. And if you keep switching your edge. Like you're changing your time frame, you're reducing this, reducing that, increasing this, reducing that, trying to track. You will just end up spending 1 year. That's how traders actually go 1 year. So this is the beginning of the year. That's why I want to like use this January, this February to like talk a lot about the issues, because this is time to actually gather. This time to actually do something. If you prove to yourself that you can be disciplined and consistent, trust me, December you'll be smiling. I'm not certain if you'll be smiling by May or June. The market is random, but I'm certain over 12 months you'll be smiling. So if you have data on any particular trading edge, January, if you have, then January starts. But if you don't have, then use January and February to get data. Then by March, start. There's a particular term I like, religiously. I used to use it very well. So how do you stick with your strategy? You stick to your strategy religiously. It means that it's no longer like discipline or consistency. That's to transcend all those and even turn to some sort of faith. That's to be some kind of, you have to have some kind of religious relationship with your trading strategy. Your trading journal has to be like some form of Bible, your trading Bible. That's just how it has to get. You have to believe in it. You understand? You have to believe in your approach, because if you don't believe in it, you are tweaking, and eventually you don't even know what you did wrong at the end of the year. At least if you trade a particular strategy, particular edge, but edge, as I've done in some videos, trading edge is different from trading strategy. Trading edge involves trading strategy with your risk management, your money management, and your psychology, your time frame. All those stuff involve your edge. If you trade a particular edge for 12 months, you figure out your edge in 2 months and you trade it for 10 months. Trust me, you have your data down on it. Even if you are not profitable at the end of the year, which I think is very, very unlikely that you're not profitable at the end of the year. But even if that's the case, you're not profitable at the end of the year, trust me, you're far better off than someone that was switching strategies and ended up a bit profitable than you. Because now you have data on 10 months of a particular edge. You understand? You know where you're going to tweak. You know what you did wrong. You know what you're going to do that's going to like better the edge. You know how you're going to refine this edge, because you have data. But if you don't have consistent data on something, you don't even know where to start. You're going to be stuck. You're just going to be stuck in a loop, switching strategies. And I think that's where a lot of people are. They're just stuck in that loop of switching strategies. They're not able to make it out of there. They just keep thinking. They just keep thinking that, or even like a profit trader, you fail one. As I did on that video, you can check. It's normal to fail 1 or 2 profit. That's literally the title of the video. Some people, they fail 1 profit, they switch strategies. Fail an app, they switch strategies. Man, the problem is not your strategy. How many times are we going to tell you guys this stuff? How many times are we going to sing this song? There is no holy grail. We're tired of singing this song. We should probably feature Lil Baby in this song. There is no holy grail. Because I don't know which other way we're going to say it that traders are going to understand. There is no holy grail. Man, stop all this. There's no way you're going to move past this stage if you keep switching. People are switching strategies too much. The problem is not your strategy. The problem is that every strategy has winning and losing streak. The problem is you've not defined your edge. You don't have data. If you don't have data on a particular edge, you're not going to be confident. I have data on my edge going as far back as 2 years. 2 years of data on a particular edge. Meticulously followed, religiously followed. You understand? So when I actually see a problem, I'm relaxed, but I know, okay, I've seen this problem before. When you trade 2 years on an edge, every bad thing that has happened before. Every good thing that has happened before. You understand? Very rarely do you see data out. But when you have data on 1 month, 2 weeks, that's not data. That's just a data point. I don't know how to put it. That's just data point. And again, I think a lot of people need to read some trading books for you to understand the randomness of the market, for you to understand that you are not you are a price speculator. You understand? You are just a gambler, just now using analysis and discipline to give yourself an edge in the market, to gamble like a professional gambler, or people say to gamble like you are the owner of the casino, you are actually the house. you don't know where any trade is going. So understand that on a trade to trade basis, this is just really round. Or what you should be is confident that your edge will play out, not confident on a trade. You should be confident that over a period of time your edge will play out, not confident on one trade or two trades. You can't really tell the outcome on a trade to trade basis. Like, this is literally a song we need to be singing over and over. As I said, we'll feature Lil Baby in the album. It's going to be Lil Baby and Drake, because that seems like the way it's going to go mainstream. Lil Baby and Drake, and have it holy grail. No holy grail, something like that. It took me 1 year to stop this strategy hopping. It took me 1 year. Like, some people are stuck in this strategy hopping for 4 years, 5 years. Now you're a 5-year trader, and I'm asking you, where's your strategy? And this year you switched already. Come on, how many times do you need to switch strategy to know that strategy is not the issue you are having here? I'm not saying I didn't switch strategy, but a year and a half, I think you should be done with that. Then now what's next now is, you know your strategy, but maybe the discipline and the consistency and the religious following of the strategy is the next issue you need to address. I have not changed my approach to trading in almost 3 years now. I've been trading the same way. Only the first year that I was like, trying to jump. Since I found out, like, why are you jumping up and down? Like, yes, I'm kind of ranting. I'm actually then going off the topic, but it's just going to be that kind of video. Yeah, so there is no good trading time frame. There's no good trading pair. You understand? Just pick something and stick with it. Pick something, whatever because if I tell you choose a good trading pair, now you say, you have an amazing trading pair. Okay, pick the one you want and don't leave it. You said it's amazing. Now, if you're not a profitable trader and you want to switch your trading pair or your trading time frame because you honestly believe that's the reason why you're not profitable, switch. But once you switch, don't switch again. Because you are the one that is making the assumption that the reason why you're not profitable is you are trading gold and you want to trade to JPY or pound USD. Take what you want. Choose the pair you want now. Choose the time frame you want now. And don't switch. Because the truth is, you guys are going to start January saying you want to switch to this, and this is the reason why you're not profitable. By March, it's going to be on that topic. By June, you're going to forget totally that you were all up on gold. You were farming gold. By March, you're farming silver. By December, you're back to crypto. By next year, you're back to pound USD. Just pick one. Whatever you want. Let this January literally be the end of strategy hopping. That's what I want every trader. Literally, if you're a beginner trader or 2 years, 3 years, or unprofitable, inconsistent, whatever the case may be, let this year be the end of strategy hopping. Then let's deal with other issues. Because when you stop hopping from strategy to strategy, that doesn't even make you profitable. You understand? There are other hurdles you have to climb. But that strategy hopping, it should end this year. Strategy hopping should end this year. Let's move on to something else. You can't be hopping strategy this year. Now you're saying, you want to trade New York section gold. That's the best. That's the reason. Because you've not been trading New York section gold. That's why you're not profitable. Go to New York section gold and rest. Go there and rest. Let's not hear this New York section gold anymore. I don't want by March now you'll be telling me you want to go to JPY on Tokyo session. That's what's going to happen. By March now you want to go to JPY on Tokyo session. By August you're switching to crude oil on London session. Stop this. Whatever you want to switch to. I personally, I don't believe that the reason why you're not profitable is because of your trading pair or your trading time frame. But if you believe that, that's all right. Whatever research you've done and you have picked a particular time frame, pick it and pick the pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know. But whatever you decide to pick, don't change. Trade it for like 3 months. Then after that, you start getting a live account. Maybe trade demo 1 month, 2 months, trade it with a live account. That is 3 months. By the 4th month, get a prop firm. That same way you traded. That's all.